told myself I'm not that into you, but I don't wanna sleep. It's 2:45. You in my head like I told her, baby, I'm not in love.
Yo, YouTube, it's your brother Rod, back with another video, man. I got my little cousin with me, man.
What's up, young niggas?
Where you finna go?
Movies.
Finna take the young nigga to the movies, man. He been asking me to do something with him, so I'm finna do something with my little cousin. Yeah, man. What you gotta say to the camera? Huh? What you gotta say to the camera? Tell them who you is.
I'm Chase Williams. I'm in the Williams family. And, hey, I just do shit.
I don't know why he cussing, like, I just want
Oh, shit, what the fuck?
like, stop cussing. Just cussing, man. But yeah, man. Finna go to the movies, man. We finna see. What we finna see? What you wanna see? If I don't know what movie that is. But, you know what I'm saying? I always make sure my family straight. And I got that dog shit on me. No cap. Got that dog shit on me. Got that dog shit on me, man. Niggas ain't fucking with me. Niggas ain't fucking with me for real, man. Niggas ain't fucking with me for real. This shit. You hold this shit down to the ground. But yeah, man. With my little cousin, man, finna go to the movies. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get down from play on music. Yeah, man. I'm back on YouTube, man. I'm back on the YouTube. This is my first video back, man. I've been on YouTube for like 3-4 weeks, but I'm just finna get back to it. I ain't wearing this jacket because I spilled something on it. So, yeah, man. You ugly as hell. You ugly.
Oh, shit, what?
Oh, shit. But, yeah, man. Finna get back with y'all, man. When we get there, man, I'm driving right now. Y'all see I'm on the road driving. So, I'm gonna get back on y'all when we get there. My bad. I can't wait to learn. I just bought my little cousin's popcorn. We in the movies right now.
I know we're just lowly worker bots can't
You
even
trying to see what
transform.
tickets I got?
Don't you want to see what's out there?
Sure.
There's a reason no one goes to the surface. It's dangerous. Why'd you bring jetpacks? I go crazy. Sure feels like it. The surface.
G9.
Beautiful.
G10. Put G9 G10. Come on,
You have proven yourself worthy. Take these and access.
Alright, YouTube, man. We just came for the party, bro. That shit was ass. We love. And I just had to pee. And that shit was hot. And it, like, that junk was hot, bro. They're gonna see what. Oh, they're gonna see. Yo, what you finna get, bro?
I'm trying to look for something for
I got that shit on. Bro, I had to change my shoes, my feet. That shit was killing me. Got that nigga.
might as well get an extra
got Kaya.
Yo.
Hey, take over the vlog.
I got you. Man. They're going 0.5, bro?
Man, you ain't got to. We just thirsty.
Alright. I'm 32, nigga.
This shit don't work for real.
Bro, hold on. I'm getting this shit.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. Watch out.
This bitch
Bro,
smart.
go on this side, bro. You out.
This shit's real.
This shit better book. Oh, you gotta hold it, bro.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. This shit better hit it. Oh, shit. Bro, fuck. Hey, shit though. This nigga's mixing white shade with strawberry banana.
I'm just doing shit. Okay, cool.
Ooh.
So, I have to get one of these bitches.
Nah, I'm gonna get one of these hoes. Nah, that shit is tough.
Get one of them. Do it.
Hey, Rod.
I'm finna get something else, man. We in here. Let me turn the camera on. Yeah, man. Man, California donut, bro. That shit can't go wrong. Nothing can go wrong with no donuts, bro. I'm telling you. The donut be smacked every trip. Alright. So you better listen to what I'm saying. Damn, which one a good one, bro? What the fuck? Kai, what you get? Hey, recording, Kai. If you can. Should I get a regular donut?
I don't know. Ooh, give me a strawberry one.
Strawberry?
You gonna buy it? Look, big money ride. I just went on with that shit. You see? Ew, they nasty.
Alright,
I
man.
think I got some donuts.
Oh, my fault.
Go ahead, because I already paid for my stuff.
Oh, shit, I'm just playing. So, I think we can't record. Oh, he not saying this. He don't care. Yeah. See what your fit is today.
Chilling. I got the powders on the feet.
Okay.
Skinny jeans, I don't even know where he's from.
Yeah.
Just a hoodie for my partner Brandon, you know you.
Tight shit. Kai, what's your fit? What's your fit?
My fit?
Yeah.
I look a bit.
Rick Owens fit. I had to change my shoe for my feet. My fit trash.
What, you want me to record you too? This one I'll show you.
Oh. Hey, man. Oh, can I get 20 on pump? 6.
24.63.
Here you go. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. Oh, hold on. Yo, YouTube. It's your Wheeler Ride. He's an ugly dude.
Shut up, nigga.
Say what's up to the camera.
What's up, little niggas?
Don't talk to my people like that.
What's up, little niggas?
Don't talk to you don't want to hear about that. You talking crazy to y'all, man. Get cash. You said what?
I'll beat you up, bro.
Crazy. I think y'all believe that. Bro, I'm finna beat Cash up, bro. You keep playing with me. You keep playing with me. But man, we finna go to a party. So when they keep trying to get me, bro, I'm finna smack. Sit. Yeah. Stay. Watch this. Come on. Sit. I don't know what he doing. I'm gonna get back with y'all.
The next day.
Yo, YouTube, man. They got cars. All the Jeeps. So I'm taking the window. Whoa, that's crazy. Buddy took the thing off the thing. Excuse me, sir. I got a question. I gotta ask you a question. Can I ask you a question, sir? This is for my YouTube. How do you take them off?
It's like clips and shit.
You should take all of them off?
Not just my front two.
Nah, that's crazy. That's tough.
Let me slide this in.
Jeez. Hey, that's tough. Appreciate it. Nah, son, that's tough, man. That's tough. Look at the rest of it. Look, we got a red Jeep, but they got the whole thing. Twin took his sheets out. It's just hard. You know what I'm saying? Everybody going Jeep. Everybody going Jeep. But nah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to the house, man.
It's 3:15. You in my head like I told her, baby, I'm not in love.